Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Trust Wallet more secure. Start by creating a long, unique passphrase and enabling app lock immediately. Always write your recovery phrase on paper and store it in a safe location offline. Avoid screenshots, cloud backups, or notes on your phone. Consider a hardware wallet for large holdings and move only what you need to hot wallets. Regularly update the app to receive security patches and improvements. Adjust advanced settings to tighten control over every interaction in your wallet. Enable push notifications so you get immediate alerts for outgoing transactions and approvals. Activate anti-phishing toggles and only connect to reputable apps after checking contract source and community feedback. Regularly audit token approvals and revoke unused allowances to limit exposure. Use custom gas settings cautiously and double-check recipient address. Treat your recovery phrase like the master key to everything and protect it accordingly. Use multiple secure physical locations so a single event won't cause total loss, and consider fireproof metal backups for serious protection. Never type your recovery phrase into websites or share it with anyone claiming to offer support. If you must use custodial services, understand their policies and keep only limited funds there while keeping large balances offline.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.